Imagine you're on a bustling street, capturing moments on your smartphone. With a few taps, you edit and share your story instantly. Now, picture yourself in a cozy workspace, meticulously crafting a cinematic masterpiece on your PC. Both scenarios are powered by CapCut, but which platform truly aligns with your creative journey in 2025? This video isn't just about features, it's about helping you decide what tool suits your style, workflow, and content goals. In this full breakdown, we're diving deep into everything you need to know before choosing between CapCut PC and Mobile in 2025. We'll explore every detail that matters, from the way each interface feels under your fingertips to how smoothly your device handles high-resolution footage. We'll dive into editing workflows, toolsets, and the overall performance and rendering smoothness. You'll see how well each version supports media import, file management, and project organization, and how they handle multilayer editing, effect stacking, and keyframe animation. User interface and editing workflow. On mobile, CapCut offers a slick, touch-friendly interface. Editing is fluid and quick, perfect for creators who like to edit on the go, whether you're in a cafe or sitting in a park. Tap, drag, cut, add effects, export, and post. It's that simple. The gestures feel natural, and the timeline automatically adjusts to the screen. The PC version, however, unlocks an entirely different level of workflow. With a wider editing space, dual monitors, a full-size keyboard, and mouse control, you gain surgical precision. Multiple tracks, nested timelines, and snapping tools make it ideal for long-form content and complex edits. Creators working on documentaries, YouTube videos, or client projects will feel right at home. Performance and editing smoothness. Editing speed and stability can make or break your process. Mobile versions of CapCut perform exceptionally well for short videos. However, things start to slow down when you throw in 4K footage, complex effects, or multiple layers. Crashes are rare on newer phones, but not impossible. CapCut PC comes prepared. With performance priority settings and proxy editing features, it's built to handle heavy timelines. Playback is smoother, scrubbing is faster, and rendering is significantly quicker on systems with decent specs. It's also far more reliable for batch processing and multitasking, meaning you can edit, render, and browse reference materials simultaneously without lag. However, it's important to note that not all PC versions of CapCut run smoothly across different machines. Users with older hardware or integrated graphics might experience stuttering, freezing, or failed exports, especially when dealing with high-resolution projects or advanced effects. Compatibility varies depending on your system configuration, so a decent processor, enough RAM, and updated graphics drivers are key to getting the best performance. Toolset and feature depth. Mobile CapCut doesn't skimp on features. Speed ramping, chroma key, auto captions, basic keyframing, and text animations are all here. But many of these tools are simplified for usability. CapCut might have started as a mobile app designed for casual creators, but it's quickly gained traction among pro editors too. Its ease of use, combined with powerful features like motion tracking, advanced keyframing, and high-quality export options, means it's capable of producing polished, professional videos. Many professional video editors, YouTubers, and even social media managers use CapCut to quickly turn around content, taking advantage of its intuitive interface, smart AI tools, and efficiency for both quick edits and more complex projects. The PC version enhances these tools. For instance, with the speed curve, you can add more control points and create cinematic motion effects. Masking becomes more detailed, with shape manipulation and feathering. You even get motion tracking and object locking, useful for following a subject or sensing text with movement. These finer controls help transform your edits from good to great. AI tools and automation. AI tools are a major draw in 2025, and CapCut leans in hard. On mobile, AI-powered features like background removal, auto beat sync, and Smart Cut help you speed through edits with minimal effort. They work fine for most use cases but can be hit or miss with busy scenes or noisy audio. CapCut PC leverages more processing power, giving AI features more accuracy and less waiting time. Background removal is cleaner, Smart Cut detects jump cuts better, and voice isolation is more reliable. If you regularly edit talking head videos, reaction clips, or music montages, you'll notice a clear difference on PC. Media import and file management. CapCut Mobile lets you pull media directly from your gallery or cloud storage. It's convenient, but once your project expands, file management becomes chaotic. There's no folder view or bulk import functionality, making it difficult to stay organized. CapCut PC feels like a full-blown editor here. You can import entire folders, organize assets into bins, preview large files before dragging them to the timeline, and even reconnect missing media automatically. Working with terabytes of footage, CapCut PC is the way to go. Multilayer editing and effects. Layering multiple clips, overlays, effects, and audio tracks is core to modern editing. CapCut Mobile supports this but with limitations. You can typically stack up to 3 video layers before performance dips. This can bottleneck creativity when working with green screens, picture-in-picture, or heavy transitions. On PC, you can stack dozens of layers without breaking a sweat. Want to add B-roll, animated text, sound design, color grading, and overlays all in one scene? No problem. The multi-layer timeline on PC allows you to build sequences that are richer and more dynamic. Export settings and output quality. Once you're done editing, how you export your video matters. CapCut Mobile simplifies this with easy export presets. Choose your resolution and quality, hit export, and it's ready for TikTok or Instagram. The PC version, however, is for those who want total control. Export in formats like ProRes, H.264, HEVC, adjust bitrates, frame rates, and audio sampling. Need a 10-bit color profile or a specific export profile for a client? It's all possible. This flexibility is essential for YouTubers, commercial editors, and freelance creators delivering professional content. Cross-platform project syncing. CapCut supports cloud syncing via CapCut Cloud or TikTok login. Start a project on your phone and finish it on your PC or vice versa. This cross-platform compatibility helps creators stay agile. Note, however, that some features may not fully transfer between platforms, especially PC-exclusive effects or custom assets. System requirements and hardware compatibility. CapCut Mobile requires a fairly modern phone with at least 3 to 4 GB RAM to run smoothly. Mid-range to high-end Androids and iPhones from 2021 onwards handle the app well. CapCut PC runs on Windows 10 and 11 or Mac OS 10, 15 and up. You'll need at least 8 GB RAM, a decent CPU Intel i5, Ryzen 5 or better, and ideally a GPU for smooth real-time playback. For heavier workflows like 4000 editing or color grading, 16 GB RAM and SSD storage are recommended. Creator profiles. Who should use what? If you're a content creator who shoots, edits, and uploads short videos daily, CapCut Mobile is your best friend. It's efficient, always with you, and ready to roll out quick stories. But if you're a filmmaker, YouTuber, educator, or freelancer dealing with larger projects, CapCut PC gives you room to grow. The learning curve is steeper, yes, but the returns in efficiency, quality, and control are massive. Tips and editing hacks for each platform. When it comes to editing more efficiently, both CapCut PC and Mobile have their own unique hacks to supercharge your workflow. On the PC version, using keyboard shortcuts can drastically speed up your editing, especially when trimming, splitting clips, or switching tools. Creating reusable templates for your intros, outros, or lower thirds can save tons of time across multiple projects. You can also take your visuals to the next level by applying LUT's lookup tables combined with adjustment layers to quickly color grade your footage with a professional look. And if you're into cinematic transitions, try combining motion masking with speed ramp effects. This combo creates visually stunning scene changes that feel dynamic and seamless. On the mobile side, it's all about speed and simplicity. You can make quick trims and edits even faster using gesture shortcuts, making the most of your touchscreen. Templates are a mobile creator's best friend. They allow for fast, stylish edits with minimal effort. For creators doing talking head content or commentary, the AI-powered Smart Cut and Auto Captions are lifesavers, helping you edit and subtitle with just a few taps. And here's a bonus tip: even if you're editing on your phone, try exporting in 4K, then upscale later if needed. It keeps your content looking crisp and ready for any platform. Final thoughts. CapCut in 2025 continues to evolve into a full-fledged editing powerhouse across platforms. Whether you're a weekend content creator or a full-time video editor, there's a version of CapCut that fits your workflow. If you crave speed, portability, and instant publishing, Mobile has you covered. If your projects demand polish, power, and precision, PC is your go-to. If this breakdown helped you understand the power of CapCut PC versus Mobile, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know which platform you use and what kind of content you're creating. See you in the next video and keep creating magic.